Okay, so I couldn't really find any videos on how, well, there's some, but not really ones for my truck. It's the 2006 F250 Super Duty Super Cab. So I'm trying to take the door panel off and get the window crank thing off. So what you're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver, go in here by this guy, and just pop it. What you want to do is pop the case cover off, just like that. And you take a hex and you put it right in there, just like so. Just turn counterclockwise. Don't lose that screw or you'll be in a world of trouble trying to find one to fit it. This should pull straight out, just like that. Then what you're going to do is come over here to this guy, up here. That's where your two bolts are. And grab my ratchet. I have the Matco. This one's already loose apparently. Awesome. Don't drop that down there like I just did, but I'll be able to get it when I take the panel off. And then just down by where your reflector is, there's one right here. Alright, pull this puppy off carefully and just lift up, it'll come right off. There you go.